What is up everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on withdrawing money from Cryptomania. Cryptomania is a platform designed for simulating trading, making it ideal for beginners to practice without using real money. You can access advanced features like Pro Mode for graphs by watching ads. Now, the big question, can you withdraw money from Cryptomania? The answer is no. Cryptomania is solely for simulated trading, meaning the balances you see are not real funds. To make actual profits, you'll need to use other platforms like Binance or OKX. While it's not possible to withdraw funds from Cryptomania, it is still a valuable tool for practice. Remember, it is important to use the right platform for your trading needs. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.